This is the old one. It doesn't work anymore. So this is the one I'm gonna replace. Battery over here, brand new. Home Depot. This was the old one. And this, a different version. Now the small one, if I want to install it on this, doesn't quite go in. So I'm gonna install this new one, but it doesn't fit. They look the same in a way, but it won't fit into this. It's stuck. It doesn't slide in how it should. So I'm gonna show you guys why it doesn't fit. The saw here has this little square that does not allow the battery to go in. Compare this side, it doesn't have it. And that's what's stopping the battery from going in. I cut this off. And now the battery, the one I just bought, slides in just perfect. This is what I used to cut that. Put that right on the edge, right there. And I strike it right here. And then just a couple of taps this way. And lastly, like this. Go. Even this little one is good now.